Welcome to my channel. This is Coach Samantha001. Today I'll be showing you exactly how to create an international account, to be specific, a UK account from any part of the world, whether you're in Nigeria or not. Now, I assume you already have a Gmail account. If you do not have a Gmail account, go over and create a new Gmail account for your UK TikTok account. So I have already made a video on that. If you don't know how to create one, you check on the link in the description. I'm going to drop a link, so you go over, watch the video, and then learn how to create a Gmail account. So we'll be getting straight to creating a UK account. Remember, you do not need a VPN. You do not need to change your location. But first, this is the step I consider very important. Ensure your phone's location is turned off. Ensure your phone's location is turned off. So now, click on the TikTok app. Now, when you open the TikTok app, you're going to click on your profile down here. When you open your profile, remember your account is already logged in. So what you want to do is to log out this particular account. So be going over to the three lines up there on the top right. So click on settings and privacy. Scroll down to where you have logout. Click on logout. You can see the account has been logged out, so you click on profile again. Here we are about to create a new account, not log in. Okay, so what I'll be doing now is to click on add account. Now take note, this is where the whole deal is. Do not click on use phone number. Do not select any Gmail. Do not click on continue with Facebook. Do not click on continue with Google for now, right? Do not click anything. Now come down. See where we have Nigeria. Click on it. You're going to search for United Kingdom. United Kingdom. You can see United Kingdom is here. Now, some people would say, why not go for United States? There is a little issue if you pick United States, okay? When it's time for monetization, and you're going to face a lot of stress. Sometimes you may not even be able to access your funds, except the funds you make during your life. So I have done a video separately on this, explaining this. So I don't want to waste time. So we are moving forward to click on United Kingdom. You've selected United Kingdom. You can see the place has changed from Nigeria to United Kingdom. Next thing is to click on continue with Google. Now we are about to pick the Gmail that we created that you want to use for this. So you select and pick the particular Gmail you want to use for it. You're going to set the date of birth. So I'm going to pause here and then put in the date of birth, then we continue. When you enter your date of birth, you click on continue. Okay, so because of the Gmail, the name has entered automatically, and I'm going to just tweak a little and then leave it there. So let's say we are going to take this name. I'll click on continue. But remember, you can always edit this name at your convenience and at any time you wish. Okay, so this account has been created, and because of the region, if I scroll through, you're going to see that it's basically people from the UK that I'm going to be seeing their content. So I'm going to be clicking on the profile now. You can see that the account has been created. You can come back to set up your account, put up your profile picture and all of that. Now, I want to show you something. Before you upload anything on this page, ensure you watch other people's videos, follow the people you are interested in their content, yes, before you come back here. And note that after creating this account, this UK account, allow this account to stay for 3 days. Yes, it's not only US accounts that you're supposed to do that. Allow this account to stay for 3 days before you start posting anything on it. Okay, so I don't want to make a post. Instead, I want to set up the account and also show you that this is actually a UK account and it has all the benefits of an international account. Let me show you. Now, you see the 3 lines up there. Click on it. I want to show you something. Click on TikTok Studio. So can you see that there's a creator rewards program here, and also there's a creator marketplace? Can you see? Can you see there's a TikTok shop for seller? Can you see everything that you're gonna find in all the international TikTok accounts are actually here? And trust me, I have a UK account and I also have a US account, and I'm telling you from the place of experience that this works. The UK account you've created won't give you issues. I am using Gray for my monetization. I'm using Gray, so I could make suggestions for you equally. All right, so this is it, and the next thing you would want to check is, let's go back, let's step back, open it and click on accounts, click on settings and privacy, and then click on accounts. I still want you to confirm the location of this account. Hold on, you're gonna set privacy. Hold on, you're gonna set your password, okay? But first, I need you to check on your account information. Click on it. Can you see that this account region is United Kingdom? And that's the reason the people you're going to be seeing on your feed are people from that region, except you start following and allowing people from your own region to be following you. Okay, so the next thing you should be doing as part of setting up this account is first create a password. So you enter a strong password, and then you know normally how to set up your account. So you get back to your page, put up your profile picture, put up your bio, write something, follow people, engage on their content. One good thing about this platform is engagement. People support each other a lot. So you engage, and then you follow people, and then you start posting your content. Alright, stay active. If this video helped, I need you to share, drop a beautiful comment, like, subscribe to this channel, because definitely I teach and show how to in the simplest ways. I trust this helps. Thank you. This is Coach Samantha 001.